Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today I'm handing you the golden ticket. We're diving deep into how you can make real money with AI affiliate marketing. Not theory, not fluff. This is a complete, step-by-step guide, easy enough for even your cat to understand if it's got Wi-Fi. If you're ready to let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting while you cash in, you're in the right place. Let's make this stupid simple so you can start today, not someday. First up, what the heck is affiliate marketing? It's basically you getting paid for recommending stuff. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to ship anything. You just tell people about something awesome, and when they buy it through your special link, you get paid. Like a commission, but cooler. Now throw AI into the mix, and you've got something that works for you while you sleep. And I mean that literally. So where do we begin? Step 1 is picking your niche. Don't just say, tech, or fitness. That's like saying your hobby is, Earth. Get specific. iTools can help you find high-converting niches based on demand, competition, and keywords. Go to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever AI you like, and ask, what are some low-competition, high-demand niches in affiliate marketing right now? You'll be surprised how smart these bots are. They'll spit out niche ideas you hadn't even considered, like budget home gyms for seniors or eco-friendly kitchen tools for college students. Once you've got your niche, we move to step 2, finding the right affiliate programs. You don't need to look far. Amazon Associates is one. ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareASale, and even individual SaaS companies like Jasper AI, Canva, or Grammarly have affiliate programs that pay really well. Especially if you promote AI tools themselves. Meta, promote AI tools using AI tools. Genius. Once you've signed up, you'll get your special tracking link. Guard that link like it's the last piece of chocolate on earth. Now, how do we promote it without being annoying or spammy? Enter content. And this is where AI really shines. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, YouTube video scripts, you name it. Don't know how to write? Doesn't matter. AI's your ghostwriter now. Want to record videos? Use 11 Labs for AI voiceovers or Synthesia to create AI avatars that deliver your message without you even needing to show your face. Let's say your niche is AI tools for small businesses. Open ChatGPT and type, write a 1,000-word blog post reviewing the top 5 AI tools for small business owners with affiliate links. Boom. You'll get a full post. Tweak it a little to make it sound like you, or like a human at least, and you're good to go. Post it on Medium, LinkedIn, or your own free blog with Blogger or WordPress. Each time someone clicks that link and signs up, you get paid. You just built a passive income stream in your pajamas. But it gets even better. I can also help you rank that blog post on Google. Tools like Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or Phrase will analyze what keywords you need to include to beat your competition. Copy and paste your article in there, follow their suggestions, and suddenly your content isn't just good, it's optimized to get found. You're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall anymore. You're a sniper with AI bullets. Let's move to social media now, because if you're not there, you're invisible. AI tools like Canva can generate stunning Instagram carousels and Pinterest pins with your affiliate links embedded in your bio or captions. ChatGPT or Jasper can craft viral Twitter threads or LinkedIn posts. You can even automate posting with tools like Buffer or Hypefury. One weekend of content creation can give you a month's worth of automated posts. You're working smart, not hard. Now let's talk video, the king of content. AI makes it ridiculously easy to dominate YouTube or TikTok. Use InVideo to turn your blog post into a video automatically, with voiceovers, stock footage, subtitles, everything. Post the video, drop your affiliate link in the description, and pin a comment with the link too. If you want to go wild, use Descript to repurpose that video into short clips for Reels and Shorts. One piece of content becomes 5. That's compound content magic, and you didn't even need a camera. Still worried about getting traffic? AI helps with that too. Use ChatGPT to write SEO-optimized Pinterest descriptions, Quora answers, or Reddit comments that point back to your content. You're not spamming, you're adding value. Answer questions like, what's the best AI tool for freelancers? And drop your blog link. That's organic, evergreen traffic you don't have to pay for. And speaking of paid ads, AI can even help there. Meta Ads Library is your cheat code. Find what's working in your niche. Use ChatGPT to write high-converting ad copy. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning ad creatives. Launch small-budget ads targeting the right audience, and A/B test like a boss. AI helps you find what works faster, so you stop wasting money. You're not guessing, you're testing. Worried about emails? Use AI for that too. Get someone to your landing page using AI content, collect their email with ConvertKit or MailerLite, and let AI write the follow-up sequence. Your emails go out automatically with your affiliate links. Every click is a potential dollar. You're building a list, and that list is a money printer with your name on it. And here's the final piece: automate everything. Use Zapier to connect all your tools. Got a new blog post? Zapier shares it across all your social platforms. Got a new subscriber? Zapier sends them your welcome email sequence. AI isn't just a tool, it's your team. A team that works 24/7, doesn't ask for lunch breaks, and never calls in sick. So if you've been sitting there wondering how to start making money online, affiliate marketing with AI is your low-cost, low-risk, high-reward path. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need a business degree. You just need to start. Pick a niche. Find affiliate products. Let AI create content, drive traffic, and follow up for you. Keep improving. Keep testing. The compounding effect will blow your mind. And trust me, if you stay consistent, this isn't just side hustle money. This can become quit your job and buy your dream house money. You don't need to be a genius. You just need the right systems and tools. AI is the biggest cheat code the internet has ever seen. And the people who use it early, use it smart, and use it consistently are going to win big. Not in 10 years. Not in 5. I'm talking months. You can be one of them. So take this script, bookmark this video, and get to work. No more excuses. Your future is literally a few clicks away. Whether it's midnight or Monday morning, AI is waiting to help you build that financial freedom you keep dreaming about. Let's go from dreamers to doers. This is your moment. And I'm right here cheering you on. If you found value in this, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment telling me what niche you're jumping into. And if you want more tutorials like this, where I hand you real steps for real money, stick around. This is Fahaam's Financial Freedom, where the hustle meets the algorithm and your wallet gets the glow up it deserves. Hey gang! I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories.